Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a whipped cream rose flower. First, make sure your whipped cream is very cold and stiff, almost like soft serve ice cream, to hold its shape. You'll need a piping bag fitted with a 1M or 1D star tip. Fill your bag about 2/3 full with the prepared whipped cream, twisting the top to seal it securely. This setup is crucial for creating beautiful, defined petals. Now let's create the heart of your rose. Hold your piping bag straight up at a 90-degree angle about 1/4 inch above your surface. Apply steady pressure to pipe a small, upright cone. This cone will serve as the central bud of your rose. Aim for it to be about 1/2 inch tall and 1/2 inch wide, forming a solid foundation for the petals. Next, we'll add the first layer of petals. Start at the base of your central cone, with the wider part of your tip facing outwards. Pipe a small, curved petal, wrapping it around the cone. Overlap each subsequent petal slightly over the previous one, creating a continuous, spiraling effect. Aim for 3 to 4 petals in this initial inner layer, building a beautiful, natural look. To complete your rose, continue adding layers of petals, making each successive layer slightly larger than the last. Angle your piping bag a bit more outwards as you pipe, which will create a fuller, more open rose appearance. Once satisfied with your rose, carefully slide a thin spatula underneath it. Gently lift and transfer your beautiful whipped cream rose to your dessert, ready to impress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.